In front of me is OSCAL Tiger 12, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Display. Following that, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to Screen Portrait Orientation Lock. As you can see, my switcher is now gray. That means that auto rotation is on, but you can always switch it off by hitting the same now gray switcher. If you want to, you can always go into Tab menu and look for Screen Portrait Orientation Lock shortcut with a padlock. Then click on it to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!